Welcome to the crop configuration webinar. Today, we're going to learn how to create a crop, edit an existing crop, both permanent and field crops, duplicate a crop, and adjust for multiple crop varieties on one block. So the first step is to go to the modules menu in the command menu and enter settings. Under settings, we're going to go to the field module and select the crop module from the left navigation menu. Now we're going to select a level from our level menu, and then we're going to select a year. In this case, we're going to use the year 2015. And then we're going to, once we know which area of our operation we want to use, we're going to go to the Add a New Crop button. Now that we're here, we see that our crop year is 2015, and we can add our crop. So the first thing we need to do is select our crop. I'm going to say almond. You don't have to select a varietal, so we're going to leave that blank for now. And then we have to select a permanent or field crop. This will affect the menu that appears, so it's important which one you pick. So our almonds are a permanent crop. Now we fill in the rest of the important information. So we're going to say, let's say April 1st of 2014, and our current season starts January 1st of 2015. Say our plant spacing is 5 feet, row spacing is 10 feet, and our field percentage is 100% of the plants. So then we're just going to save this crop, and we've added a new crop. And we can view it by selecting the block where we added the crop. The next thing we're going to do is edit an existing crop. So the first thing we need to do is select our location and then find the crop that we would like to edit, and then single click on the crop. Now we'll see the menu reappears if we want to say add a varietal, or change any of the features. Say maybe our row spacing was actually 15 feet. When we're done making changes, we can then save our unsaved changes, and we'll see that our changes have been saved. So the next thing that we're going to learn how to do is how to duplicate a crop. To duplicate a crop, go into your block, find the crop that you would like to duplicate, select it, and then all you need to do is go down to the bottom beside the Save and Close bar, select Duplicate a Crop, select the year, the area where the crop that you're going to duplicate will reside. So we're going to move it to the other 203 block in this area, and then just press Save. And we can go into the 203 area and see that our almond crop has been duplicated. The last step in our crop configuration is to adjust for multiple crop varieties in the same block. So to do this, we're going to go to a different location and select another crop, say cherries. The only necessary steps for adjusting for multiple crop varieties in one block is to adjust the field percentage. So if I have 2 crops in the same field, I can either use the approximate number of plants button to calculate, or I can say that the field is maybe 62%, in this case cherries, and then it will calculate a different figure. So in this case, since I have 62% of my field in cherries, I can then have 38% of this same field in almonds, and it will calculate how many almond trees I have in the same field. So that's the end of our crop configuration webinar. If you have any other questions or are still confused, please visit support.onfarm.com to see the crop configuration tech note. And if you're still having problems, please reach out to our support team at support@onfarm.com. Thank you.